Hey, this is James Glass, and I'm here at our big tiny home. And I wanted to show you a mistake I made when I first started that I'm correcting today. But the cool thing about this is it allows a really neat cross section of double wall construction for ultra energy efficiency. So obviously, we're living large. Uh, Things are largely finished here, but I put this window in an inch and a half too low, and I'm getting ready now to do the siding on the outside, and so I have to correct the framing. So I had to take this all back apart. But here's the double wall. Getting ready to pull the window out and bump it up an inch and a half so it matches the other windows. But check it out. I have a 2x4 wall on 6 unit centers filled with R13 unfaced. I would have used 15, but I just had a ton of R13. I have R8 in the middle. There's no thermal bridging whatsoever. And then I have R15 faced in this wall, and it has each have their own top plate and bottom plate, and the R8 is also held up by netting so it never sags. The insulation in both of the walls are run vertically between the studs. This is 24 on center for max insulation. This R8 is run horizontally, so there's no way air can pass through. It's sandwiched in there. The craft faced insulation here is taped at all the seams, including to the ceiling, and the ceiling is R30 to R60, and it's R30 toward the outside of the house and R60 toward the ridge. And then the drywall gets completely caulked all the way around the corners, the bottom, the top, before I mud. So we're talking massive air control. And of course, there's house wrap on the outside, and that's completely sealed. Now, you may be wondering, how in the world do we not die in the winter? Because we just breathe ourselves to death. The carbon dioxide coming off of our exhaust would kill us, right? Well, that's okay. I have a whole house energy recovery ventilator. And that's double wall construction.